Now if you want to change the background of this block, this is rectangle top one, this is rectangle top, this is rectangle middle, and this is rectangle bottom. So if you want to change the background color, not background color, background texture, it's actually background texture, then follow these steps. So first download your texture, color or pattern. If you want to download this, if you want to make a background pattern just like this hexagon, so first download. I already downloaded. Okay, then go to slide 1 and make a same size block, that is rectangle top, same size. So insert shape and draw a shape, and this is no fill, sorry, this color, shape outline, no outline. Now check the dimension. This is select a rectangle top. Okay, this is the dimension 10.7 centimeter and 11.12. 10.7, it's already 10.7, and next one 11.12. Enter. So now it is the same size block, rectangle top. Okay, now I want to add a texture here, so select this and go to shape fill, texture, and more texture. Okay, and then from here picture or texture fill, insert, picture source, insert from file. So I have to go to my download folder where I downloaded. This is the texture. Okay, select this picture, insert. Now your background pattern is ready. Okay, now I have to replace this shape with all this upper shape, rectangle top, all the rectangle top. So there is a dashboard, and here is a procedure how to change shape, how to change any PowerPoint shape. Okay, so this is the change shape step 1. Here is clear instruction. So first I have to select the shape which is our final shape. Okay, so select this shape, go to the PowerPoint, here is go to slide 1 presentation, insert your shape. I already did, and select your inserted shape. I have already selected it, and press the change shape step 1 button, shape, go to PowerPoint and hit the OK, hit OK. Now which shape I have to replace? This shape. Now I am in a group, it's selected group. I have to select the proper shape. It is a group, proper shape is rectangle top. Okay, if I click that, now it is selected rectangle top. All the this is shape, this shape, all are rectangle top. This is for card number 1 for top 1, this will be rectangular top 2. Okay, so now select rectangle top. So the which shape I want to replace, it is all selected. Then go to dashboard and change step 2, select, go to PowerPoint, click OK. Now it will replace all the shapes with these shapes. Wait for the message. Shapes updated successfully. OK, now you see the presentations, all shapes are replaced by this shape. Okay. So it's very simple. You can change the any background. You can change any background. So you have to first texture, download the proper texture picture, and then insert and follow these steps. So simple. Thank you.